The first question was, what is automation testing? Automation testing is a process of executing tests automatically using tools and scripts instead of manually. It helps reduce human effort, ensures faster execution, increases test accuracy, and allows repetitive execution for regression testing. Example, using Selenium, you can automate login functionality to verify it works for different users without repeatedly testing it manually. The second question was, what is the difference between manual testing and automation testing? There is 3 types testing. Aspect manual testing, automation testing. Execution method performed manually by testers. Performed using tools, scripts. Time efficiency, time consuming. Faster execution. Reusability, test cases must be recreated. Test scripts are reusable. Accuracy, prone to human error. Highly accurate. Example, automating repetitive tasks like regression testing in automation saves significant time compared to manual execution. The third question was, what are the commonly used tools for automation testing? Popular tools include Selenium for web application testing, Appium for mobile app testing, JMeter for performance testing, Test Complete for desktop and web apps, Cucumber for behavior-driven development (BDD). Example, Selenium is used for cross-browser testing of a website to ensure compatibility. The fourth question was, what are the types of test cases to automate? Test cases best suited for automation include repetitive tasks like regression testing, high-risk functionalities, tests requiring multiple data sets, data-driven testing, performance and load testing. Example, automating login tests with different user credentials. The fifth question was, what is Selenium and why is it popular? Selenium is an open-source tool used for automating web applications. It supports multiple programming languages like Java, Python, and C#. Its popularity lies in cross-browser support, open-source nature, free, community support. Example, automating a Google search on Chrome, Firefox, and Edge using Selenium. The sixth question was, what are locators in Selenium? Locators in Selenium are used to identify elements on a web page, example, buttons, links. Common locators include ID, name, class name, XPath, CSS selector. Example, to click a login button, you can use its ID or XPath to locate and automate the click action. The seventh question was, what is a test automation framework? A test automation framework is a structured approach to organizing test scripts and resources for efficiency and reusability. Types of frameworks include data-driven framework, keyword-driven framework, hybrid framework. Example, a hybrid framework combines the strengths of data-driven and keyword-driven frameworks for comprehensive testing. The eighth question was, what are assertions in automation testing? Assertions verify the actual result of a test against the expected result. If the assertion fails, the test script stops execution. Example, in Selenium, assert equals expected title, actual title, checks if a web page title matches the expected title. The ninth question was, what is continuous testing in automation? Continuous testing involves executing automated tests as part of continuous integration (CI) pipelines to ensure code changes do not break existing functionality. Tools like Jenkins and GitLab are commonly used for CI/CD integration. Example, automated tests running every time a developer commits code to a shared repository. The 10th question was, how do you handle dynamic elements in Selenium? Dynamic elements, whose properties change dynamically, can be handled using XPath with wildcards, example, asterisk, contains, @ID, dynamic part. JavaScript executor for direct DOM interaction. Explicit waits to wait for the element to load. Example, waiting for a dynamic button to appear using WebDriver wait.